In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Teams with a Gmail account so you can collaborate and communicate without needing a Microsoft email. First, go to the Microsoft Teams website or open the Teams desktop app. Click on Create One. On the Sign Up page, enter your Gmail address instead of a Microsoft email. Teams will recognize that this is an external email and guide you through the account setup. Next, follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to create a Microsoft account linked to your Gmail. This is free and allows you to access Teams features using your Gmail address. Once your account is set up, you can join existing Teams organizations or create your own team. You can send messages, make video calls, schedule meetings, and collaborate on files just like a regular Teams user. If you're joining someone else's team, you may receive an email invitation. Click the link in the invitation, sign in with your Gmail-linked Microsoft account, and you'll be added to the team automatically. And that's it. You're now ready to use Microsoft Teams with your Gmail account. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.